Yo, Mr. White, what are you doing here?
Jesse, I know you're in there. Open the door.
What you need, bitch?
You know the business. I know the recipes. Not just mixing flour and water, but actual science. Let's bake.
Okay, fine, we bake.
This isn't about some hobbyists' croissants, Jesse. This is purity. Hydration percentages, autolysis, controlled fermentation. We can achieve a Maillard reaction and an oven spring the street has never tasted. You feel that? That resistance? That's the gluten-forming bonds. This isn't baking, Jesse. This is chemistry. This is power.
Rise up, no faking it. Fue mi plan, ahora soy un talibán. Boom, mi mundo explotó sin piedad. Todo por buscar esa falsa libertad. Ella lloró, mi hijo no mira. Yo solo amaso, mi mente delira. Creía ser Dios con la masa en la mesa, pero el precio de
But this blue stuff, it's different. It's got a purity, an arrogance, like someone's not just baking, they're making a damn statement.
Wow, this is a good look for you. And you're maybe only the world's second biggest homo.
Would you shut up and help me?
Turn that off!
Yo, Mr. White, this is top-notch bread. You got walnuts in here, 2 inches, 3 inches. This is pure bread.
So Jesse, how do we proceed?
Well, we cook more tomorrow. And let me tell you something, Mr. White. This is art.
For real, this is our husband's cooking? Yo, our man can cook. Check it out. It ain't cloudy, it ain't dirty, it ain't nothing.
Check out that loaf size. This bitch was any bigger, it'd be a rocket ship.
Go for it.
I tried to slice last week, I'm still coming down.
Oh.
Look at the gods!
Girls, go easy.
I gotta try another piece!
No, I think you're good.
Yo, careful not to mark up the floors.
Woo! That is awesome, boys. I feel like somebody took my brain out and boiled it.
It's a bomb, man. Seriously, yo.
Your buns are the best, and I'm not loafing around.
Give me more. I'm a gluten for punishment.
I'm glad you like it. It's the yeast I could do.
Yo, Walt, we're on a roll.
Why did the baker's card get declined? He didn't have enough dough.
What kind of shoes does bread wear? Loafers.
Why did the baker go to the florist? To make flower arrangements.
Which direction do you head if you want to find a bakery? Yeast.
Why did the baker go to jail? He was caught beating an egg.
What did the baker say to her kids? It's past your bread time.
Why did the 2 slices of bread leave the bakery? They wanted to grow mold together.
How did the baker tell her husband that she's pregnant? Yo, bitch, I've got a bun in the oven.
Say my name.
You what? I don't have a damn clue who the hell you are.
Yeah, you do. I'm the cook.
That's right. Now, say my name. Heisenberg. You're damn right.
I am the one who bakes.
The sun is rising, most definitely.